Okay, come on.
Welcome to Vijay Cybertrone.
You should say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Come this way. Good, nice all of you. Who did all this? Nice it is for you. Huh? This head. Good, nice you all are doing. Which class all of you are?
Say hi.
Which class all of you are? Senior KG, yeah? You all know?
Say hi.
Senior KG, yeah? Nice you all are doing. Saying hi and all smiling. Huh? Come. Yeah, come this way. Next stage. Nice, all of them are doing clap for them. Nicely. See, all your class only dance, same class only there also. Which class, ask them? Which class? Which class all of you are? Huh?
Junior KG or senior KG?
Okay, which class? Junior KG, senior KG?
You're junior KG, right?
Junior KG, huh? Okay. See, one class, almost your class. You see here, right? See here. See how they are dressed up.
Fighting against cancer. Thank you, ma'am. Fighting diseases are found in the new environment in India and the parts of South Asia.
What is this? This is not who did for you? Ma'am did or your Amma did? Who did that? Who did for all of you? This is an all nice necklace you got.
Ma'am did, right?
Ma'am did.
Ma'am?
Which ma'am did?
Who is your ma'am?
Who's your ma'am? Huh? Good.
Oh, they smell so sweet. I am your Dharmapuri. I wear my own fruits and I am so strong. Seeds provide nutrition to humans. An example, rice, wheat and vegetables and fruits. Primary function of seed is to grow into plant. Seeds have medical uses. Normally, most flowering plants reproduce through seed those and vegetable propaganda. A seed is container which is the plants and each maturity. The footbutter, fodder, growth of embryo, store, continuance, or in the marginalized plants. What is the benefit of the bitter leaf? Bitter leaf may help in relieving headache, or alternate and innately compound. For example, feather form usually with over leaf flakes that are sharply toothed. The flowers of wild roses usually have 5 petals but hers. The flowers of cultivated roses are often double with a multitude of petals. Thank you. Indians are born in the native environment in India. Another type of such an evil or harding medical property. In ancient times, they did not do type using organic medicine. Popular ingredient in their several food and beverages ranging from cheese and alcoholic drinks to sauces and salad and dessert. While eating the plant offer some healthy features show that Green eye care or brown native plants because they need red water. Dear parents, I am a file. A collection of information like text, pictures and sounds are called file. Image file example JPG, audio file example MP3, video file example MP4, document file example ODP. Files on a computer can be grouped in a single place. This is called a folder. Example, picture folder, music folder, video folder. Okay parents, let's start the game. Hello dear parents. Now we give set of images to you. Please identify the images and put it in a particular folder placed in here. Dear parents, this is a picture. Good job. Thank you dear parents for your time.
I'm going to showcase some wonderful work done by our talented friends. My team members are Nitish, Sanjay Dashan and Guru Prakash. Now, my friend Nitish will explain about software and introduction. Welcome everyone. One software for making 3D objects. Do you know what is Blender? Blender is a computer program that helps us to create 3D models and animations. It is like a digital sculpting. Now, my friend Sanjay Dashan will show the digital sculpting.
Hi, I'm Sanjay Dashan. Now I'm going to show you a Blender project. Before that, we can say small we'll just type in what the birth of our planet.
Meet Dr. Leonard Kennedy, a brilliant computer scientist, leader and pioneer.
I'm sending a message to my friend across the country. It's like magic. It computed to my friend by using the message.
The Dharmapuri
Let's forward to the mid-2000 meet with the Marge, founder of Facebook, and Jack with the creator of Twitter.
It's a social networking site that makes it easy for you to connect and chat with friends and families in online.
Hello, I'm Jack. Twitter is a free networking site where users broadcast short clips. These tweets can contain text, video, photos, or link to access Twitter. Users need an internet connection, a smartphone to use the app, or website twitter.com.
Let's move forward in time to the episode of 2010 and witness the mobile revolution. Meet Mr. Alex, the app developer.
Where learning extends beyond the classroom to digital devices. Now our students are going to explain about the mobile generation.
1G first generation. Here G stands for generation. Early mobile technology. Analog voice transmission. Internet coverage and capacity. 2G second generation. Reduction of digital signals. SMS. Short message service introduced. High quality. 3G third generation. Internet evolution. Faster data transmission. Introduction of mobile internet. Video calling capabilities. 4G fourth generation. High speed. Enhanced multimedia supporting 5G fifth generation, ultra fast internet speed, low latency for real-time application, enhanced connectivity for lot Internet of Things. Now my friends are going to explain about the difference between 4G and 5G mobile network technologies and their key differences. The first feature is speed.
5G offers significantly faster data speeds compared to 4G, while 4G typically offers slower speeds.
The second feature is latency. 5G has lower latency, meaning a quicker response time between devices. This is important for applications like gaming and real-time communication.
The third feature is capacity. 5G can support a much larger number of devices at the same time within a given area compared to 4G. This is crucial for the increasing number of connected devices in the Internet of Things IoT.
The
fourth feature is technology. While 4G relies on LTE, that is long-term evolution technology, 5G uses a combination of technologies including MMU, that is millimeter wave frequency and advanced antenna technologies. The fifth feature is use cases. 5G is designed to not only improve mobile broadband but also enable new applications like autonomous vehicles, smart cities and augmented reality, which may not be optimally supported by 4G. Finally, 5G offers faster speeds, lower latency, the capacity and supports a broader range of applications compared to 4G. Thank you. Such as keyboard, mouse, monitor, speakers, printers, modems, etc. There are 6 major types of operating systems. They are MS-DOS, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Solaris and Android. Now my friend Lakshmi is going to explain about MS-DOS and Windows.
MS-DOS stands for Disk Operating System done by Microsoft. It's using command line interface. Windows, produced by Microsoft, is using graphical user interface. Supports multitasking and multi-user. 3 are Windows 7, 8 and it is updated into Windows 7. Traditional explain about Mac OS.
The official name of the Macintosh operating system created by Apple is Mac OS is used in Apple mobiles and tablets. Now my friend Pushpa will explain about Linux.
Linux, a freely distributable open source operating system that runs on a number of hardware platforms. Now my friend Nandini will explain about Solaris.
Solaris is a Unix operating system originally developed by Sun Microsystem. Solaris can be installed from physical media or a network for use on the desktop or server, used on server and workstation.
Android is a Linux-based operating system for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablet computers. As we can see here, every year Android has developed alpha beta called Vijay.
Good morning, dear parents. I am 2G. Welcome to our Cybertrone.
Good morning, dear parents. I am Vijay. Welcome to Cybertrone. Good morning, dear parents. I am 4G. Welcome to Cybertrone. Good morning, dear parents. I am 5G. Welcome to Cybertrone.
lucky number and around 25 lakhs. We would like to credit the amount to your bank account, so please send your bank account number through WhatsApp. Sorry sir, we can't send the whole amount to account number. So we will send a link. Just click the link and fill the details. We will send the whole amount immediately.
அதாவது அடிக்கடி ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் வந்து பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்காங்க. கேஜி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு வந்து அடிக்கடி ஃப்ரீக்வெண்ட்டாக ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்காங்க. லைக் வெஜிடபிள்ஸு, இன்செக்ட்ஸு, ஸோ எல்லாமே நல்லா பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஸோ எஜுகேஷன் மட்டும் இல்லாமல் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கரிக்குலராக இந்த மாதிரி ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் பண்ணும்போது குழந்தைங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப அப்சர்வ் பண்ணுறாங்க. ப்ளஸ் இங்கே இல்லாமல் வீட்லேயே வந்து ஸ்கூலில் பண்ண ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் வந்து அடிக்கடி ஃப்ரீக்வெண்ட்டாக சொல்லிகிட்டே இருக்காங்க. ஸோ எனக்கு ரொம்ப சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷனாக இருக்கும். இந்த பொண்ணு போகிறது பிளான்ஸு, இன்செக்ட்ஸு எல்லாமே பேசிகிட்டே இருப்பாங்க.
குட் மார்னிங். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம விஜய் எஜுகேஷன் ஸ்கூலில் சூப்பரான ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராம் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. சேல் பிளான்ஸ், அந்த பிளான்ஸ் சமிஷன்ஸை பற்றி நல்லா அந்த குழந்தைங்களுக்கு எவ்வளோ அழகாக வந்து புரிகிற மாதிரியும் தெரிகிற மாதிரியும் அழகாக வந்து எக்ஸிபிட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க.
இப்போ வந்து எல்லாம் இது பண்ணுறது மூலமா சில்ட்ரன்ஸ்க்கு நல்லா யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் ஒவ்வொரு டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்குது. குழந்தைங்க நல்லா இன்வால்வ்மெண்ட் பண்ணி கொடுக்குறாங்க. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குது. எல்லாமே ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் பண்ணுறது எல்லாமே நல்லா இருக்குது. குழந்தைங்க ரொம்ப இன்வால்வ்மெண்ட்டோடு பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாகவும் இருக்குது.
See, nicely they're singing, no? All of you eat fruits daily, or only for song? You eat daily fruits. Monday apple, you're saying no? Daily you're bringing Monday apple? Yes or no? Who not brings fruits to school? You should go tell your parents, okay? You should bring fruits to school. Today I sang a song, sir also asked it, okay? You all bring fruits to school and eat healthy food. Fruits, okay? Yes or no? One all yes sir. Yes sir. Yes.
Yes, we
good.
Sir, you should say.
Okay.